Yep. And make sure if you guys want to stay healthy, eat Popeyes every day.
Commercial.
This video is sponsored by Popeyes.
Yes.
You're gonna get Popeyes for free for. Alright, so today we're going to install the 525 Walbro fuel pump, the Hellcat. Part number. That's what she looks like.
Blow up. How many pounds you pushing?
Alright.
I'm about to add the tweeters to it too.
Man. What a damn mess. It'll probably be.
He didn't save the tune.
Oh, for real?
Okay, bajo un chingo. Well, I don't know if it's that, but bajo un chingo, the fuel ratio, it runs too lean. Like I was trying to step on it, but it runs too lean.
No, he said as soon you change the fuel pump,
Yeah.
you can.
I tried.
Nah, don't do it.
I'll look at the gauge. If I see if it runs too lean, I'm gonna let go of the gas.
Don't do it.
I'll do it. Yeah, Miguel, don't two-step.
I know, I was like, oh, chill, you gonna blow that shit up.
Nah, but I looked at it. It was still running rich. When the hits over sign, that's when it starts coming down. But it set up at 6, so it was good. So I was like,
Do you see on Route 40 when Chuchi, like everybody comes like around Chuchi?
Yeah,
Like
I didn't even record it. Oh man, it's too hot. Alright. We're gonna wire it up to a relay. You got the inline fuse and the relay right here. Now the way this is this little plug is number 85 or 87. I got it written down. So number 87. If you're looking at it. Right. So 87, looking at it like this, 87 would be the yellow wire. The one up top goes to the fuel pump. So it's going to be ran to the power. The white one is going to be set up to ground, which is 85. The blue is 30. It's going to go straight to this and then to the battery. And then the black is going to be the source, which we're going to grab from.
you gotta go here.
Nah. Where's it at?
What?
Where's the clip for the fuel pump?
That's the one we tapped into?
Yeah, we're gonna clip that one, which is a yellow and green wire.
Yeller.
Yellow and green. And that's how you connect the relay.
That's all I ask.
Where are you gonna want the relay?
Hazlo para acá, güey. Ahí está la verde, más hazlo para acá, güey. Para no be in the way. All the way over there? Pues ponlo pues para allá.
You got more of these yellow ones? So we can tie up to here?
Yeah. Pues I got you. I got you, my friend.
We're gonna put this over here.
Right there, like that. And then this is gonna go right on top.
Right there for ground.
I'm gonna add one of these.
Oh man, it's a fucking mess.
Line up, look, this one ain't got no space up.
Damn.
So make the hole in it.
Alright. So the blue one is gonna get tied up to this one.
Yes, sir. Yep. And make sure if you guys want to stay healthy, eat Popeyes every day.
Commercial.
I'm gonna have to charge you for that one, son.
They said, yo, make sure y'all stay healthy. Eat Popeyes every day, baby. You gotta put it up there as soon as the video starts.
Sponsored by Popeyes. This video is sponsored by Popeyes.
Yes.
You're gonna get Popeyes for free for. I don't have a bench. I mean, ow, you fucker.
Ahorita como que yo. Si quedan ahí como es. No. The sweaters, the beer in the fridge. But like home, man. Just don't make a mess. Just keep it a mess. That's it. I don't want to nobody this mess.
Ooh, that's hot.
That's it.
We're gonna do this the right way, Nick. The right way.
This nigga on 4th Street. He's street certified.
Oh, you don't got the shirt?
I don't need it.
I'm still waiting for mine.
Yeah, he said he ordered the shirt, son.
¿Te quites? La meme también.
Yeah, I think.
Ah, ya la cagaste.
There you go.
Almost.
Huh?
Almost. This is ground.
Oh shit, it's just still hot.
Wait, I have to itch my face.
Take that out. Put that over there. This thing out right here. Take that out. Loosen it up. Take this little clip out. Right there. And this should just come out. Oh. Oh, that right there. No. Crimping.
You see my glasses, guys?
Nope. Alright.
Ya me voy por la manera.
¿Se apagó? Oh, mentira.
No, it's because you lit the butt second.
¿Y cómo queda? ¿Sin cosa? Lleva ganado.
Now that's how you cut a hole. Look at that. Perfect. Look at that. Almost flush up here. And then the wires for this one goes in here. red goes on the blue. And then brown on the black one.
Zip tie, zip tie.
And goes right there.
Yeah, that's it.
You got AC? AC?
Hell no.
Oh, it's a convertible top off. That's my AC. I took it off. I'll be good. Yeah.
Look at yellow. It's yellow.
This one.
¡A la verga!
¿Dónde? ¿Dónde están los tornillitos? ¿Cómo iba esto, güey?
Ah, la verga.
No, güey. I got it.
Got it, got it.
Ahí voy, ahí voy. Haz un paquete a ahí.
De güey, nada más también.
Paquete de para el son.
Plug it in. ¿No están los tornillitos, güey?
Ahí estaba todo arriba de la web, güey.
No, güey. Not the little things for this. Here we're gonna grab. We're gonna get the signal, and this is the power to the fuel pump. Signal, power to the fuel pump. Right here. Brown, baby.
Not struggling, you good?
I'm almost done.
Me too, me too.
Source is black. Okay. Yellow.
Let's forget pump.
Yeah, yellow. Yellow goes right here.
And that's
Pump.
source.
Black is source. This one's already no. I have one of these. Alright. That one goes there. So this black one is the source, yellow is the fuel pump, blue is battery, white is ground. It's there. Let me tape up that thing before we start doing anything. I want to see 540 this weekend.
Hey, we going 600.
I want to see 540.
Güey, sí. Te digo esto, güey, que le tuvo que subir más el boost, güey. Because we lower the compression. He said he's gonna do it, man. Porque 15 pounds, these are the 420, güey. I said, yo, but I gotta boost up como Le Juan. Con low boost. Ya estaba pegando alto, güey. But that's because the compression is at that low. So this, when you lower the compression, I gotta boost it up more.
Right.
Dale, güey, that's my hand there. Ay, vale.
Espérate.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Just turn on the switch.
Yep.
Go ahead, give it a try. Sonny, push the button. Make sure it's in neutral though.
I'm gonna get all the fuel now, man. All the smoke, Sonny, all the smoke. Once I took we got it, man. I don't care if it's beat the fuck up or it got dents, I don't give a fuck. I just want to Japan, bring it over here and I'll fix it over here. No matter how many dents it got, it's alright.
No matter.
No matter, I just want to buy it.
Alright, what we're doing is just tightening up all the wires. And the relay's gonna be right there.
Let me just pay my truck off. Wow. Let me just pay, give me 2 more years. Them shits be flying. 2 more years. Pay that bitch off. Wow. I'm an older one, dog. Like I tell you, even if it's beat the fuck up, it got problems, I don't care like, yo, ship me that shit. Stop. Don't matter. If I can give them for 30 G's, all beat the fuck up, send it to me. I'll fix it here. I don't care. I just wanted to be rained.
Yo, you know what these are?
Uh,
The mechanic's best friend.
Zip tie.
Start over here.
You got that nigga working, Sonny?
There. And that's how you do a fuel pump with a relay setup. That's it. So if this fixes the problem, we'll see.
what did I say?
What did I say? 547.
Look at you right there.
Juni gonna drive without the steering wheel.
Oh, right here. My steering wheel. Hopefully that fixes the problem. And we'll make more horsepower. Alright. Danny's hats. H-Day giveaway.
Like, share, comments and subscribe, please.